Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to my YouTube channel APSarts. Today we're going to make quilling earrings. I'm taking black color quilling paper to make earrings. I'm taking 5 strips of black color paper for 1 earrings. I'm taking big size Fevicol bottle to make the round shape. Now we have to place a black color quilling paper. Apply some glue at the tip and start sticking it to get the round shape. Now we have to paste it and hold it for some time to get it stick. Then we have to continue rolling it. We have to roll till the end and apply glue at the edge of the paper and stick it. Then join the second paper and roll like the first one. Likewise, we have to stick all the 3 papers. After sticking it, we have to remove it from the bottle. Now we have got the circular shape. Now we have to take 1 quilling paper, then have to take the quilling needle and have to twist it. Then take out the quilling needle. It will give a S-like shape. Then likewise we have to twist and roll the remaining quilling paper as the first one. Twist it and take it out. It will give you a beautiful S-like shape. Now I have twisted both the quilling papers and now I am pasting it inside the circle. Apply some glue and attach it inside the circle. We have to hold it for some time, then we have to apply glue. Then we have to stick pearl beads one by one on the circle. Now it's done. We have to attach the hanging now. So I'm taking 1 quilling paper and cutting it into 2 halves. Then take 1 half and start rolling it using the quilling needle. Then apply glue at the edge and keep it aside. We have to roll both the papers and keep it ready. Now I'm using pliers to open the ring. Now we have to join the ring to the rolled paper and we have to attach the hook with the ring. And we have to use pliers to connect it. Now we have to attach the hanging hook to the earrings. Apply some glue on top of the earrings and attach the hook now. Now the earrings is ready. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.